and welcome to today's video. If you are here, it means one of three things. You are interested in cryptocurrency, you are curious about blockchain, or you are already participating in airdrops and digital rewards. But before we go any further, let me say something important. Many people rush into crypto because they want rewards. Very few people pause to understand what crypto actually is. In this video, we are not chasing rewards. We are building understanding. And I promise you this, by the end of this video, you will clearly understand what cryptocurrency is, what blockchain is, and what you are truly interacting with in the digital world. So, let us begin, slowly. Let us start from the very beginning. Imagine you have a notebook. Every time money moves from one person to another, you write it inside that notebook. You write who sent the money, who received it, how much was sent, and the time it was sent. Now imagine something different. This notebook is not inside your house. It is placed in the middle of the world. And instead of just one notebook, there are thousands of identical copies. That is blockchain. A blockchain is a digital notebook that records transactions, but it is special because it is shared across many computers, open for verification, and impossible to secretly change. Let me simplify the word. Block means a group of transaction records. Chain means those blocks are linked together in order. So blockchain simply means blocks of digital records connected together, one after another. And once something is written on the blockchain, it stays there permanently. That is why people trust it. It is transparent, it is secure, and it is not controlled by one government or one company. Public ledger. Now, let us understand something very important. The public ledger. A ledger is simply a record book. Banks use ledgers, businesses use ledgers, but those ledgers are private. Blockchain ledgers are public. That means anyone in the world can see transactions happening. For example, if someone sent Bitcoin to another wallet, that transaction is visible on the blockchain. You may not see their real name, but you will see the sending address, the receiving address, the amount, and the time. It's like a transparent financial system. No hiding, no secret editing, no manipulation. And that transparency is powerful. What is cryptocurrency? Now that we understand blockchain, let us define cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital money that lives on a blockchain. Let us simplify even more. Traditional money is printed by governments and controlled by central banks. Cryptocurrency is digital, exists only online, and is controlled by code and networks of computers. There are no physical coins. There are no paper notes. It is completely digital. When you own cryptocurrency, what you really own is access to digital value recorded on the blockchain. Cryptocurrency can be used for sending money globally, paying for services, participating in platforms, voting in digital systems, and receiving rewards. It is programmable digital value. Now, let us remove confusion. Many people use coin and token as if they mean the same thing. They do not. Coins have their own blockchain. For example, Bitcoin runs on its own blockchain. Ethereum runs on its own blockchain. They are native coins. They power their networks. They are used to pay transaction fees, secure the blockchain, and store value. Now, tokens are different.
Tokens are built on top of an existing blockchain. They do not have their own blockchain. For example, many projects create tokens on the Ethereum network. Think of it like this. Ethereum is the highway. Tokens are the cars driving on that highway. Without the highway, the cars cannot move. And when you chase airdrops, most of the time, you are receiving tokens, not coins. Why does crypto have value? Now let us ask a serious question. Why is cryptocurrency valuable? Why does something digital have price? Value comes from a few key things. Scarcity. For example, Bitcoin maximum supply of 21 million. It cannot be increased. Limited supply plus demand creates value. Utility. Ethereum is valuable because developers use it to build applications. If people need it, it has utility. Adoption. The more people use it, the stronger it becomes. Trust. Blockchain technology creates transparency and security, and trust increases value. Crypto does not have value by magic. It has value because people believe in it, use it, build on it, and trade it. Now, let us connect everything. If you chase airdrops without understanding, you are interacting blindly. But when you understand what blockchain is, what cryptocurrency is, the difference between coins and tokens, why crypto has value, how public ledgers work, you stop guessing, you start thinking, you start asking better questions. What blockchain is this project using? Is this a coin or a token? What gives it value? Is the ecosystem strong? Knowledge protects you. Understanding empowers you. Cryptocurrency is not just about quick rewards. It is about decentralized systems, transparent ledgers, digital ownership, and financial innovation. Before you earn, understand. Before you connect, learn. In our next Academy session, we will explore how wallets interact with blockchains and what truly happens when you sign a transaction. Thank you for learning today. Stay informed, stay secure, and move wisely in the crypto ecosystem.